Mastering your memory, unlocking your inner encyclopedia. Hello, studying machine. Are you done with forgetting stuff all the time? Want to be like a super smart encyclopedia on legs? Awesome! Let's dive into some super easy tricks to turn your memory into a powerhouse. Tip 1. Flashcards are awesome. Make some cool flashcards with all the important stuff you need to remember. Look at them a lot and picture the info in your mind. It's like making your brain a photo album. Tip 2. Mnemonics are magic. Think up fun connections or silly images in your head to remember facts, dates, and names. It's like creating a secret code that only your brain knows. Tip 3. Be an active listening ninja. When someone's talking or you're studying, listen like a detective on a mission. Focus hard and repeat the info to yourself. It's like giving your memory a super boost. Tip 4. Organize like a boss. Use mind maps or charts to sort out what you need to remember. Use different colors to make it pop in your brain. It's like having a treasure map to your memories. Tip 5. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Go over the stuff you need to remember lots of times. Spread out your study times. It's like hitting the save button in your brain over and over. Tip 6. Give your brain a workout. Do puzzles, play memory games, and challenge yourself with brain teasers. It's like taking your brain to the gym. Tip 7. Live healthy, think better. Sleep well, eat right, and stay active. A happy body makes for a super smart brain. Tip 8. Tech to the rescue. Use cool apps and digital tools to help you remember stuff. Find the techie helpers that work best for you. It's like having a memory assistant in your pocket. Remember, becoming a memory whiz takes a bit of time and practice. But with these fun tips, you're on your way to becoming a memory champ. Go for it! Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, folks, happy studying and learning.